Hello friends, I am Jaiswal and welcome to a new video on Power BI. In today's session, we are going to learn to add leading characters before a value. Just like what you are seeing on the screen right now. Okay, let's not waste any time. Let's get started. Let's go to the table view. Let's click on product code table. Here we have one field, product code. We want this column to look exactly like this. So what we need to do? So if you look at this product code, it has 11 characters starting with P and 10 digits. So we want to make our product code just like this one. So let's go to table view again. What we need to do here, if the product code length is not 10, if it doesn't contain 10 characters, then we want to add leading zeros. How we can do that? Let me show you. Click on transform data. We have Power Query in front of us. This is our field. Here we need to add one more field. Let's click on add column, then custom column. Let's name it product underscore code. Now we need to use a function which adds leading characters to a text value. Let me take you to the documentation of the function. Function name is Text.PadStart. What it does, it adds leading characters to a value if its length is not up to that limit. In the first example, you can see we have passed name as a text and we have fixed the limit to 10. If it doesn't contain 10 characters, then we need to add extra spaces before it, 6 extra spaces before it. Let me take you to the next example. In the next example, we have passed a third argument also. So we have passed name as text, the first argument, second limit, and if it doesn't contain 10 characters, then we want pipe in the leading. You can see the output. 6 pipe has been added here. Let's go back to Power Query once again. Here we will type text.padstart. Let me tell you, my dear friends, functions name are case sensitive in Power Query. So type exactly what you are seeing on the screen. Bracket open. We need to pass this argument. Double click on it and it should be text, comma. We want product length to be of 10 character. Then if it doesn't contain 10 characters, then we want to add leading zeros. Bracket close. Okay. See, we got error here. If we click on error, we cannot convert the value 1 to type text. Like I told you, we need to pass. Here if you see in the formula bar, it should be text. And if you look at the product code, its data type is number. So what we need to do here is, we need to convert the product code to text. For that, click on this step and click on the gear icon. Here we need to use text.from function. It converts the number to text. Text.from, bracket open, bracket close. We need to pass the product code in text.from function. Click OK. See, leading zeros has been added to our product code. If it doesn't contain 10 characters, then leading zeros will be added. In first case, you can see there is only one character, so 9 zeros has been added. Likewise, you can see the number of zeros has been added here. Now we need to add P as the first character, but here you can see we are getting error, like error is 100%. Why? Let us convert the data type. If we make it text, then error will be gone. If we go back to the previous step, it will not come as error. We can remove the last step. Again click on the gear icon and let's add P here. Put P in inverted commas, then %, click OK. We have successfully achieved 11 characters product code with the help of Text.PadStart function. Let's see one more example. Let's click on this date table. Here we have one field which consists dates starting from 1st Jan 2025 to 6th July 2025. We need to add one more field where we will find week number. Click on add column, go to date, then week, week of year. Next, what we need to do is we want to add W with the number. For that, again go to add column, click on custom, in inverted commas, write W, then %, then double click on week of year. See, at the bottom you can see no syntax error have been detected. So there is no syntax error. But if we click on OK, we will get error. And you know the reason why. And if we click on error message is we cannot apply %, that means concatenation, to type text and number. So let me tell you, my dear friends, in Excel we can concatenate number with text, but in Power Query we need to convert the data type before concatenating. Data type should be same for all. Let's remove this step. Let's click on gear icon. We need to use here text.from function. If we look at the data type of week of year, it is of number type. We need to change it to text. Type here text.from, bracket open, bracket close, click OK. See, we got the right result. This time also we are getting error 100%. We need to change its data type. We will do it later. Now what we want is, for week 1 to 9 we have 2 characters, and starting from week 10 we have 3 characters. But we want 3 characters for all. That means starting from week 1 to week 9 we want 3 characters. What we can do here, we can use Text.PadStart function. Again click on the gear icon. Functions are case sensitive here, so we have to mind that. Text.PadStart, bracket open, this is our text. Now next we need to add the number of characters we want. We need to pass here 2, comma, what we want. If it doesn't have 2 characters, we want leading zeros. Bracket close, click OK. See, we got the result. Now all weeks have 3 characters. We can verify that by adding one more field. Click on add column, then go to extract, click on length. Here you can see we have 3 only. So the length of all the weeks is 3. Let's remove this step, and the error is also gone. Let's go back to our product code. Let's right click on the product code and click on remove other columns. Now we have only the product code which have 11 characters. Let's close the Power Query window. Now if we go to table view, we have product code with 11 characters, and we have week with 3 characters, and we have achieved all this using Text.PadStart function. That's all for this video. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe our channel. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.